Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off burst mode on your iPhone. It can be any iPhone out there. There are two different ways how to turn off your burst mode. Now, the first way is to just disable burst mode on iPhone using the HDR. So, as you can see, what you want to do in order to disable burst mode is to enable HDR. So, you need to open the camera app on your iOS device. Look towards the top of your screen and just tap the HDR button right here. As you can see, you also have this right here, and tap on from the slide out menu. What this will do is this will disable burst mode on iPhone using the HDR. Now, next up is you can disable burst mode using iPhone using flash. So basically, you want to open the camera app on your iOS device. You need to look towards the top of the screen as well. And here you need to just tap the flash. It looks like a lightning bolt, right, button, and then tap on from the slide out menu. This will also turn off the burst mode on iPhone using flash. Now, obviously, you can also turn off burst photos on camera timer using the timer. So you can go to the timer and then tap 3 seconds or 10 seconds from the slide out menu. And these settings will give you a 3-second to 10-second shutter delay respectively. So these are three different ways how you can actually go and disable burst mode on your iPhone. If you want more tutorials just like this on Apple devices, iPhone devices, and a lot of different devices and technology, then you can go and you can visit our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.